for my sandwich now. Dude, where's my sandwich? Sandwich. Yo, Ricardo, where's my sandwich, man?
Oh, what? What? Sandwich?
Yeah, where's my sandwich, man?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about a sandwich, man.
Now what's that right there, man?
Oh, you mean that sandwich? I kind of remember now. That was a while ago. That was like this morning. Yeah.
I told you not to eat my sandwich, man.